Government has so far no plans to extend the 21-day lockdown in place across the country. On day 6 of the lockdown, the government denied any rumors of a possible extension of the lockdown here, which has brought the country to break transmission of the coronavirus. Government broadcaster Prasar Bharati tweeted busting rumors by some sections suggesting a possible lockdown extension. Prasar Bharati officials got in touch with the cabinet secretary, who said that there is no such plan of extending the lockdown as of now. 1.3 billion across of India are under a lockdown to save lives and prevent India's healthcare system from being overwhelmed with a possible surge there in the cases of coronavirus. In his weekly radio address, Prime Minister Narendra Modi just yesterday said that there was no other way out to stop the rapid spread of this deadly virus. The lockdown announced last week gets over on the 14th of April and has 15 days to go. Only essential services are allowed as of now to ply on roads, and shops selling food items and grocery are allowed to be open only. Let's take a quick listen to what Prime Minister Narendra Modi had to say while announcing the lockdown last week.
आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने के लिए, आपको बचाने के लिए, आपके परिवार को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है। देश के हर राज्य को, हर केंद्र शासित प्रदेश को, हर जिले, हर गांव, हर कस्बे, हर गली मोहल्ले को अब लॉकडाउन किया जा रहा है। ये एक तरह से कर्फ्यू ही है। जनता कर्फ्यू से भी कुछ कदम आगे की बात।
Let's go over to Ashutosh joining us from Connaught Place in Delhi. Ashutosh, here are rumors that there could be an extension of the lockdown altogether. Prasar Bharati came about to clarify, saying that there is no confirmed news on that. The Cabinet Ministry has said there's nothing that has been confirmed or decided on the extension. As of now, there is no extension. What's the situation on ground in Connaught Place, which is usually bustling?
Well, we are seeing the strict vigil by Delhi police on the ground, and of course this all attempt is being done to isolate people and contain the possibility of further outbreaks. So right behind me, if you see here, when all the vehicles entering from different zones of Delhi and NCR in the Connaught Place, Lutyens, Delhi, there's a heavy vigil by the police. All vehicles are being checked, the passes are being checked. As the prohibitory orders underway, only the essential services and people, those who are working with the essential services, are being allowed to enter. And rather, there is hefty fines, and also the penal action is being taken by Delhi police. And since the air has been cleared by Cabinet Secretary, that lockdown will not be extended beyond 21 days. Perhaps there was a sense of panic and fear amongst the people's mind that what about the supplies, how will they ensure, because the lockdown, it somewhere also gets a sense of fear amongst the people. So that's somewhere also going to be a big relief. But yet there is no clarification from the union government that whether the lockdown across the country will be lifted, or it will be left to the subject of the states looking at the sensitivity and the ground situation, because there are states like Maharashtra and Kerala which are heavily affected. So clearly those things also need to be cleared, because once it's lockdown lifted,
right,
are there other preventive measures prepared and blueprint prepared by the government to tackle with the Minas? So clearly those answers yet to be, questions yet to be answered by the government.
Absolutely, Ashutosh. With the country as big as ours, there is a lot of ambiguity. There's no perfect hard and fast solution that could be used, but a lockdown is possibly the only solution. Staying indoors is the only way that we can control the spread of this deadly virus.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.